students, today we are going to discuss about uniform circular motion. Before that, we can discuss about some other shapes. Here you can see so many shapes. First one, triangle. Triangle ABC you can see here. If you are walking through this triangle, you can think starting point A, going to B to C, then coming back to A. Here you can see you are starting from A. At B you will change your direction. At C you will change your direction. Then again you are coming at this point A. So here you are changing directions. Then here you can see A, B, C, D. Rectangle here, starting from A, going to B, changing direction here, then going to C, changing direction, then at D you are changing your direction. Then here you can see a pentagon A, B, C, D, E. Here then you are coming back to A. Starting from A, changing direction at B, then changing direction at C, changing direction at D, changing direction at E, then coming back to A. Here hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Here also you are starting from A, changing direction at B, then again changing direction at C, changing direction at D, changing direction at E, changing direction at F, then there also changing direction, then you are going back to A. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, octagonal path you can see here. In this also at each point, at each corner you are changing your direction at B, C, D, E, F, G and H. You are changing your direction. Let us see what is uniform circular motion. You know, if an object is moving along a circular path, we can say that as circular motion. Then what is uniform circular motion? Here you can see a circle here. Later we discussed if the sides of the path increasing, number of changing directions also increasing. Here you can see a circular path and you can see so many points in that circular path. Here I have shown that directions. So from this we can say if an object is always changing its direction, that object is moving along a circular path. So here the object is moving along a circular path, we can say that is in circular motion. Why this word uniform here? There we can say here the object is moving with uniform speed. So how to define uniform circular motion? If an object is moving along a circular path with uniform speed or with constant speed, we can say that is in uniform circular motion. But children, here the direction of that object is always changing. So here speed constant, direction always changing. So here we can say the velocity of that object is a variable. If velocity is changing, we can say that motion as accelerated motion. Here this motion is an example for accelerated motion. Next we have to learn one equation to find the uniform speed of that object in circular motion. You know how to find, we have done problems also. Here you can see uniform speed is equal to, distance divided by time. Then how to find the distance? Here you can see r is the radius of the circular path. If the object is starting from this point A and coming back to this. After completing one round of motion, we can say 2 pi r is the distance covered by that object, then divided by time taken. We can take t as the time, then you will get the equation V is equal to 2 pi r divided by t. Once more children, in uniform circular motion, the object is moving with uniform speed along a circular path. What is the speed? How to find the speed? Speed is equal to 2 pi r divided by t. Circumference of the circular path divided by time taken.